Yes, ma'am.
Can you read it out?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, don't think that this is just I have made and given you. No, I am giving you some points. With the help of these points, you people will write the article. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You are supposed to develop your writing habit also. So I am not giving you a spoon feeding, but I am giving you a few points. Who will read this?
Ma'am, Ronit.
Okay, Ronit, start.
Writing skills. Write an article for your school magazine expressing your opinion about the perfect school you dream of. School provides a structured education and promotes a child mental and the physicalist.
Just a minute, हाँ, something came.
मैम
Okay.
स्क्रीन पे कुछ आ
हाँ
गया.
हाँ हाँ, हटा दिए, चलो.
Growth, growth asides from learning admits a child also learns other important life skills such as teamwork, good manners, unity, sharing brings responsibilities. I dream a school of different concept, ever positive, accepts of both schools will help the student to orful the hidden qualities. Human teacher and the mechanical teacher both have their advantages and disadvantages. It is a demand of the time that we develop a school where we can impart education with the help of both qualities. Most important advantage of mechanical teacher is that the student does not waste time. The mechanical teacher does not get dried. It does not make mistake and does not mm, fall ill also, but a human teacher with a brain as well as the heart that can work faster than than any processor of mechanic. A human teacher values such as the completions, understanding, empathy, community, decide decidations, loves, and the sympathy. He can teach through the verbal expressions.
Okay. Arav, will you start?
Ma'am. Write an article for your school magazine expressing your opinion about the perfect school you dream of. School provides a structured education and promotes a child's mental and physiological growth. Aside from learning academies, a child also learns other
Okay,
important life
okay. Arav, 1 minute I am reading. After that, you will start. Okay. I think some words
skills.
people are finding it difficult. Okay. So,
Yes.
what is the question? I have not written whole. Question is a little
Good
bit
morning,
longer. है ना? Keeping pros
ma'am.
and
Can I
cons
read?
of the of both type of the school. In this way, the question is starts. But just I have written the main point. A perfect school you dream of. Okay. But first paragraph, when we write any article, first we write introduction. So what will be there in introduction? School,
Can I read?
importance of school.
I am able to read this.
Okay. Okay, I will be giving you also. Chance you will be also given. So first paragraph should be introduction. So in introduction, I have started like this. School provides a structured education and promotes a child mental and psychological growth. Aside from learning academics, a child also learns other important life skills such as teamwork, good manners, unity, sharing, and bearing responsibilities. I dream a school of a different concept where positive aspects of both schools will help the student to unfurl their hidden qualities. Human teachers and mechanical teachers. both have their advantage and disadvantage. It is demand of time that we develop a school where we can impart education with the help of both qualities. The most important advantage of mechanical teacher is that the student doesn't waste time. Uh, we waste time in going to school, getting ready for school, traveling time. In this way also, our means we waste our time. So this is the best. This is the most important quality. The teacher doesn't get tired. Human teacher may get tired, but mechanical teacher doesn't get tired. It doesn't make mistakes and doesn't fall ill also. But a human teacher teaches with brain as well as heart that can work faster than any processor of a machine. A human teacher teaches values such as compassion, understanding, empathy, commitment, dedication, love, and sympathy. He can teach through verbal learning, verbal expression. Okay. Now, Arav, you can start. After that,
Write an article for your school magazine expressing your opinion about the perfect school you dream of. School provides a structured education and promotes child mental and psychological growth. Aside from learning academies, the child also learns
मैम बैकग्राउंड नॉइज आ रहा है.
yes, background noise is coming. I am going to mute everyone. Okay, now
also learns other important life skills such as teamwork, good manners, unity, sharing, and bearing responsibility.
once again background noise is started.
मैम प्रियांशु के घर से आ रहे हैं मैम.
Priyanshu, either mute yourself or I will remove you. वाह, आज तो दो बच्चे स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म में. वेरी नाइस. I have muted everyone. You can unmute yourself and start reading. Okay, start.
I dream
Oh, three students are in school uniform. Nice. Start.
I dream a school of a different concept where positive aspects of both schools will help the students to unfurl their hidden qualities. Human teacher and mechanical teacher both have their advantages and disadvantages. It is demand of time that we develop a school where we can impart education with the help of both qualities. The most important advantage of mechanical teacher is that the student does not waste time. The mechanical teacher does not get tired. It does not make mistake and does not fall ill also, but a human teacher teaches with brain as well as heart that can work faster than any processor of a machine. A human teacher teaches values such as compassion, understanding, empathy, commitment, dedication, love, and sympathy. He can teach through verbal expression. मैम हो गया.
हाँ, so can you people conclude? इतना point तो हमने दे दिया है. अब इसको conclude करके तुम लोग आर्टिकल आराम से लिख लोगे.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Second, second, who wants to read?
Ma'am, read.
Ma'am, Sarthak.
Ma'am, Shweta. Ma'am, Abha.
I'm Aryan.
Aryan, start.
Ma'am, Sarthak.
Aryan, start.
Okay, ma'am. Write write an article for your school magazine expressing your opinion about the perfect school you dream of. A school provides a structured education and promotes a child's mental and physiological
Mental and psychological.
aside from learning academics, A child also learns other important life skills such as teamwork, good manners, unity, sharing, and bearing responsibilities. I dream a school of a different concept where positive accepts of both schools will help the students to unfurl,
Unfold.
unfurl, unfurl their hidden qualities. Human teacher and mechanical teacher both have their advantages and disadvantages. It is demand of time that we develop a school where we can impart education with the help of both qualities. The most important advantage of mechanical teacher is that the student does not waste time. The teacher teaches with brain as well as heart that can work faster than any processor of a machine. A human teacher teaches values such as compassion, understanding, empathy, commitment, dedication, love, and sympathy. He can teach through verbal expression.
Good.
Ma'am, can
Now,
I read this?
Sarthak.
Ma'am, Meenal.
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
read
Shweta.
Abha?
Okay.
Can I read Shweta?
Abha.
Ma'am,
First, I
Meenal.
think Sarthak has said. After Sarthak.
Ma'am, Devang.
Sarthak is not there?
Ma'am, can I Vivakar?
No.
Ma'am, Meenal.
Vivankar.
Ma'am,
So
Abha.
many Abha. Yes, you can start. Vivankar, before you, Abha is there, Meenal is there, and I think Shweta is there, na? Okay, start.
Yes, ma'am.
School provides a structured education and promotes a child's mental and physical growth. Aside for a learning academy, a child also learns other important life skills such as a teamwork, good manner, unity, sharing, and bearing responsibilities. I dream a school of a different concept where positive accept of both school will help the student to unfuel their hidden qualities. Human teacher and mechanical teacher both have their advantage and disadvantage. It is demand of time that we develop a school where we can impart education with the help of both qualities. The most important advantage of mechanical teacher is that the student does not waste time. The mechanical teacher does not get tired, it does not make mistakes and does not fall ill also, but human teacher teaches with brain as well as a heart that can work faster than any process of a machine. A human teacher teach values such as compassion, understanding, empathy, commitment, dedication, love, and sympathy. He can teach through verbal expression.
It teaches through verbal someone else want to. Minal wants to read.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
Who is can I?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Saloni.
can I Shweta?
Okay, now for Meenal, Shweta, Saloni. I
Ma'am,
wanted
Vivakar,
that.
can
Listen, Sarthak also I have given you chance, but I think your connectivity was not there. So I first
disconnect हो गया.
before I had given you chance. But what I wanted, that this is incomplete. I want you people to add one sentence each, and in this way this can be completed. So many aspects are left, no? What is the question? What is the question? Question is a perfect school you dream of. Question is that. So if you want to read, it's okay, but I wanted that my internet connection is unstable. Okay, so I wanted, here we have talked about mechanical teacher and human teacher, but some other aspects are also there, na? Co-curricular activities we have not added. Should we complete it? Sarthak, will you add 1 point? Or you just want to read? Sarthak, are you listening?
Ma'am, I want time to think
You want?
I want
About
to sentence.
You want the
line.
sentence? Okay, good, good.
Ma'am, I want to
Ma'am, I want.
Everyone want to add? Okay, good. So
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
your
And also,
one by one, tell your sentence. I will be typing. Chalo. Who will speak the sentence first?
Abha.
Okay, Abha. Speak.
Perfect school where a student can exchange their
Just a minute. Just a minute. I dream a school where what was
students can change their views.
Students can change.
exchange.
Can change.
Yes, ma'am.
Can change what?
Change their views.
Their views regarding. Sorry. Views. Sorry. W type करा तो views. किस
Solve
चीज?
their problem.
Change their views. देखो change their, यहाँ पे इसको ये कर सकते हैं आप।
मैम चेंज की जगह एक्सचेंज कर दीजिए।
exchange their. Good. Very nice. Change को exchange कर दो. Exchange their views and
solve their problems.
And solve their problems together. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Together का फिर नहीं सही है ना? Next sentence.
Ma'am, Arav.
Arav.
Ma'am, school provide curriculum.
Just a minute. I am very slow at typing. School provides
curriculum activities. Curriculum.
Curricular
activities.
TIES. Curricular activities.
Which develop.
And this is important for overall development. That is important for overall development.
Yes, ma'am. Important for overall important for a student.
School provide curricular activities that is very important for
overall development
development of a
student.
child कर दे रही हूँ। चलो और If someone will say some more lines. Sarthak, हाँ.
School organize annual sport function.
हाँ, school. एक मिनट. School or organizes, है ना? Organizes
annual sports day.
स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज कर दूं एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स डे की जगह पे ऑर्गेनाइजर्स
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज
For physical growth of children.
that is very much important for physical health, for physical development,
Physical
for
growth.
good health, for
Good health.
हाँ, for good health. और कुछ? One you can add that I want a school student centered, not child centered, not teacher centered. जैसे कहीं होता है ना, teachers means always speak student as a passive listener. You want a school with active participation of students, isn't it? Do you want a school? हाँ, so चलो एक लाइन यहाँ पे हम लोग ये भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. I want a school with active participation of child. A student should not be a passive. So गड़बड़ हो गया ना, टाइपिंग मिस्टेक. A passive listener, okay, but an active participation should be there. Participation में कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ है ना, participation of extra space. Sorry. इंटर को बैक स्पेस से सही करो फिर. हाँ, अब ये सही हुआ. I think this is okay.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
I add
Yes,
a sentence? Ma'am, can I add a sentence?
हाँ, yes, of course. Everyone is getting chance.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm going to telling. I think a perfect school will make vendor teachers will teach us in understanding way, and students will understand the teaching method of teachers.
What was your sentence? I dream
I think a perfect
a
perfect school
school
will make
where, एक मिनट, where teacher,
ma'am will make
अच्छा, where perfect school,
ma'am can I send you the sentence?
हाँ बोलो, speak the sentence,
Ma'am can you send the sentence?
हाँ हाँ speak,
Okay ma'am. I think a perfect school will make
perfect, I dream a perfect school which will make
ma'am
which,
will make
अच्छा रुको, which
ma'am will
will,
which नहीं होगा make
नहीं तो यहाँ पे आई ड्रीम अ परफेक्ट स्कूल, या तो दैट ऐड करेंगे या विच ऐड करेंगे, एनी कंजंक्शन एनी करेक्टर इज रिक्वायर्ड ना हियर, है ना।
ओके मैम, पर मैम आगे जाके मैंने मैम व्हेन लगाया मैम, मेक के बाद व्हेन,
which will give better education.
चलो,
no I think a perfect school will make when the teachers will teach us in
will
understanding
make,
way and
एक मिनट, मेक, पहले इसका सेंटेंस दिखता है, विल मेक,
when the teachers
व्हेन, तुम्हारा सेंटेंस थोड़ा सा, हाँ, व्हेन अ टीचर,
when the teachers
हाँ, व्हेन द टीचर्स
were teachers
will teach us
in understanding way
in understanding, sorry,
way
in understanding way, हो गया,
no ma'am अभी और है, and
and
students will understand the
students will understand the
teaching method of teachers,
teaching method of
teachers.
teachers. Okay, now your sentence is,
Yes ma'am.
I dream of perfect school which will make, एक मिनट, हाँ, which will make, यहाँ पे देखो थोड़ा सा,
Ma'am, I think this sentence is mistake.
Ma'am, I think a perfect school. Ma'am, I said I think, not dream.
चलो तुम्हारा ही सेंटेंस यहाँ भी मैं सही करती हूँ, I think a perfect school, अच्छा समझ गई
Will
मैं,
make when the
a perfect school will make a perfect
when the
हाँ, make when a teacher
Ma'am,
will, हाँ,
I think a perfect school will make when मैम when के बाद ए की जगह ड होगा,
Ma'am,
when
make
के
की
बगल
जगह
में
फॉर्म बना दीजिए,
एक मिनट रुको ना,
make की जगह फॉर्म लिख दीजिए.
पहले इसकी बात हम लोग सुन लेते हैं. I think a perfect school will make when teachers will teach us in understanding
होगा?
way. हाँ?
मैम वेयर होगा मैम, will नहीं होगा मैम. मैम when the teachers were, मैम when the teachers were.
Where teach,
Yes, ma'am.
teachers where
वहीं पे.
teach तो फिर past में हो जाएगा ना.
ओके
हम लोग-
मैम.
Yes,
हम लोग
ma'am. Future में बताना.
की बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो वो आने वॉज और वेयर, अभी तो हम लोग टेंस पढ़े थे ना, तो वॉज और वेयर तो हम लोग
Okay, ma'am.
पास्ट में यूज करते हैं ना.
Yes मैम. Yes मैम.
हाँ, ये एक्चुअली आई अंडरस्टूड योर कॉन्सेप्ट. ही वांट टू टेल दैट आई थिंक दैट अ परफेक्ट, रुको मैं अब मैं तुम्हारे सेंटेंस को थोड़ा सा चेंज करती हूँ, फिर देखो. I think that
मैम मैं बोलूं कुछ?
a perfect school, I think that,
Will form.
I think that the concept of a दो हो गया ना, concept of a perfect school will be successful
मैम मेरे को हटाना पड़ेगा।
अब देखो तो अब ये सेंटेंस साउंड बेटर साउंड कर रहा है।
मैम सही लग रहा है।
यस मैम, मैम आप अच्छा कर रहे हैं।
I think that the
Yes, ma'am.
concept of a perfect school will be successful. Concept of इसमें बहुत सारे सेंटेंस से हम बहुत सारे वर्ड्स से हम लोग इसको रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं। When the teachers will teach us in understanding way and the student will understand the teaching method of teachers. Here what you want to say that the teaching method should be communicative. इसको एक लाइन में हम लोग समअप कर सकते हैं that the teaching method of teachers, if the teaching method of teachers will be communicative, the means will be ये जैसे हम लोगों का मेथड क्या है, हम लोग का टू वे कम्युनिकेशन है ना।
यस मैम।
हम लोगों का इंटरैक्टिव मतलब यहाँ पे he wants to, if the teaching method of teachers will be interactive, the student will understand better. Yeah, do you people like this concept? You people are जैसे ब्लैक बोर्ड पे होता था, एक बच्चा आया वो एक सेंटेंस लिख के चला गया। We are doing like this only. यहाँ पे भी हम लोग वही करते हैं ना। So did you like this concept? ये concept अच्छा लगा?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And everyone must have. तो अब इसको सम अप कर दें। अब ये तो मुझे पता नहीं है, ये फाइल अभी यहाँ से सेव होगी, वहीं जानी चाहिए। I have saved. What happened? चलो। हाँ, yes, I think it had been saved. तुम लोगों की भी ये फाइल में। So do you want it to be shared? इसको मैं क्या इस फाइल को शेयर करूंगी? Or you, if you will see the video, you will be getting these lines.
Can take the screenshot.
Screenshot. इसमें स्क्रीनशॉट कैसे लेते हैं पहले तो मुझे देखना पड़ेगा। इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके मैं भेज दूंगी।
मैम शेयर कर दूंगा मैं।
हाँ, या तो सीधा ये फाइल ही शेयर कर दूं और
तुम फाइल ही शेयर कर दीजिए।
हाँ, और इतनी देर अगर तुम मान लो वीडियो भी अगर फाइल एक्स्ट्रा फाइल अपने मोबाइल में नहीं चाहते हो तो दूसरा वे ये है कि अगर इसको तुम ओपन इस लिंक को, आई विल बी सेंडिंग यू द लिंक। ये तो सारा कुछ रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है ना।
यस मैम।
तो ब्लैक तुम ये स्क्रीन पे भी तो बस यही आएगा।
यस मैम।
If you will need it, I will share it. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have taken the screenshot. I will share it.
What happened?
Take the screenshot of this.
Screenshot. Okay. एक बार गलती से स्क्रीनशॉट हो गया था, कैसे हुआ था मुझे फिर से देखना पड़ेगा। बाद में स्क्रीनशॉट लेके भेज।
मैम वो विंडोज।
अच्छा चलो बाद में इस पे वर्क करते हैं। स्क्रीनशॉट जब क्लास ओवर हो जाएगा ना तो स्क्रीनशॉट लूंगी और भेज दूंगी। ठीक है?
ओके मैम।
ओके
मैम मैंने व्हाट्सएप पे आपको स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दिया।
Oh, you have taken a screenshot and send me through my WhatsApp. Good. So, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Ma'am, you can also do the screenshot in laptop by pressing Windows key plus print screen.
Windows key plus.
Print screen.
Acha, ठीक. Okay, I will practice it.
Ma'am, then you have to paste it also.
ठीक है. अभी only 2 minutes are left. Do you have any problem for in chapter 2?
No, ma'am.
No problem. No problem in chapter 2.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, where I get the life skills and values of the third chapter?
Life skill and values I had not shared. I think.
Ma'am, you can.
Ma'am, I didn't know. That's why I tell you.
What do okay, if you want, I will be sharing the whole question answer once again.
Yes, ma'am, we want.
Okay, I will share. But today, do you want of
Yes,
chapter 2?
Ma'am, I
You
want chapter 3.
want of chapter 3?
Ma'am, I want life skills and values of chapter 3. Yes, ma'am. Not chapter 2.
Or you want life skill of chapter 3? What is the question? What is there in life skill?
Respond to the points given in the first column and complete the table. You may discuss them with your partner. Ma'am, and I also want values of third chapter.
Values and life skill of third chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
When I shared,
Yes, ma'am.
it was not there. These questions were there or not?
Ma'am, wait a minute.
I think it was.
No,
there.
ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, only horse is there.
Only horse is there. Okay, then I will.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then I will do. We will do. Actually, in my
Yes,
mind,
ma'am.
it was there that only this question was left. That's why I tried to do in this way. Yesterday, I planned
Yes,
that
ma'am.
instead of using blackboard as a green board, I would use this method. I don't know whether you people like this method or not.
Like
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
like this.
I like method.
Oh, you like everyone. So good. We can do question answer also in this way, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think any moment.